Okay, we are back on Dial 9, and today's special guests are Kavish, we have Maz and Jafar. And if you want to give us a call, the number is at the bottom of your screen. Please feel free to do that. Now, I want to ask about your lyrics and who writes your lyrics.
Initially, we used to write them like we wrote Bachpan.
Bachpan. So you both of you wrote it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Choti Khushiyan was written by Jafar's mom.
Okay.
And then Tere Pyar Mein was written by Jafar's dad.
Oh,
So-
interesting, interesting. And now,
And the rest of the songs on my album mein, 2 of the songs have been written by Anwar Maqsood. And Baki we
एक दो अम्मी ने और लिखे हैं
and
एक तुमने लिखा है
what, like, when you guys write the lyrics, is it like from personal experiences or something that inspires? And what sort of themes do you guys have in your lyrics? Just a general theme, or what sort of stuff?
it's not about well, it's never
Jafar, please.
No, actually it's never gonna be about a love story about a girl and a guy and a breakup.
It's
No,
never going to
it's
be
never
about that.
gonna be about
Kavish's lyrics are
I
never
wouldn't
going to
say
be
that.
about that.
No, but okay, let's talk about the video. The video is never going to be like that.
What if you
you can
guys
talk
fall
about the
deeply
video.
in love with someone one day and you want to write about that special someone? Then what's going to happen?
We'll probably write about it,
But for
not
now,
we won't sing the song
just
We'll
write
use that
it
as
and
lyrics,
keep
yeah.
it locked, penned away somewhere.
yeah.
Okay, all right. And so you said this new album, again, what's the name again?
Gun Kali.
Gun Kali.
UNK.
Gun Kali. And when are we expecting its release?
after Muharram.
After Muharram, inshallah.
Hopefully.
All right.
No promises.
And are you guys, do you have any, are you going to make a new video as well?
Definitely.
Plan to do that.
Along with the album, with those 6 songs. But we haven't decided the song yet.
Okay. All right. We have another caller. Hello.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम.
क्या हाल है आपके?
ठीक ठाक.
अच्छा, नाम
It's
क्या?
Junaid.
Junaid. Okay, Junaid. Have any questions for Kavish?
I have.
Okay, go ahead.
मुझे ये पूछना था कि नुसरत फतेह अली खान, that was a music he has given a music in a Hollywood movie, I think Ghost and the Darkness and The Natural Born Killer. Are they planning to give any music?
Okay.
For Hollywood
It was a
or
rag, I think. Rag.
Okay.
It's rag.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
gonna.
okay
Okay. And anything else, Junaid?
No, not at all.
That's it. Okay, thank you so much for calling in. All right, yeah. He's talking about Hollywood. I was going to ask you guys about Bollywood because we have a lot of Pakistani bands who have crossed over to Bollywood.
Yeah.
So any sort of thing going on there is still under wraps? Or any movies that you guys are going to
not
be...
yet.
Not really, but obviously Hollywood is like बहुत दूर की बात अभी.
That's a different league
That's
also.
differently.
First
But
Bollywood,
if
then
by some
Hollywood.
miracle we get some, a chance to do that, obviously we'll do that. But as far as Bollywood is concerned,
Bollywood is a different ball game altogether.
I mean, if
Because your music is very soft, like we've been
Yeah.
hearing now, and you said it's orchestral music, and I'm sure a lot of films do have that sort of thing, so
True.
I'm sure...
It's just that I've always believed that every artist or every band should have like I've seen artists over here selling themselves very cheap, which is
Care to
something-
elaborate on
No,
that?
not exactly.
No,
but
really, don't get into trouble.
like almost everybody.
Almost everyone.
Like
so you
majority
think that
majority
they
of artists do that. But I just think that Pakistan has got like the best music talent possible.
That is true.
And I don't know about any other person, but I personally believe that I have confidence enough on my work that if anybody comes from Bollywood or anywhere else to ask for our songs, I would not
You would
sell
not.
this band cheap.
You would not.
I mean, I would love to give them our work, but
Even if they offer you like tons and tons of money, you still wouldn't...
even money wouldn't really matter.
Okay.
Like our songs are not the type of songs where you can have a chick dancing,
yeah, I mean, just
all over the
imagine
place.
on Bachpan, ye wo.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, we're never gonna
And
do
you
that.
have like a couple of chicks dancing around with
And
a
your
couple of
songs
guys.
would... No remixes of your song.
No, we might have like like a couple of versions for a couple of songs.
But never any
But this is just, yeah, like Bachpan or Tere Pyar mein, imagine having...
Those are sweet songs, and I think they should remain the way they are. I don't think you guys... And I love the way you said that they're live tracks, so that's one of the best things. Okay, we have another caller. Hello.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम। क्या
काविश बहन।
जी जी काविश।
कैसी हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक, आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसी हैं?
हेलो।
हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक।
टीवी का वॉल्यूम बंद कर दे।
जी जी मेरे टीवी का वॉल्यूम बंद है।
अच्छा ओके।
आप सुनाई कैसी हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। आपका नाम?
मैं मिसेस शाहिद बात कर रही हूँ।
ओके ऑलराइट। और क्वेश्चंस आप पूछना चाहेंगे?
मैं इनसे कहना चाहूंगी कि इनका बैंड बहुत अच्छा है और ये बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं।
Thank you.
और ये इसी तरह गाते रहे।
बस इंशाल्लाह।
और इनका कोई अच्छा सा गाना सुनवा दें आप।
Yeah,
जो इनका अपना फेवरेट हो।
Yeah. What is your favorite song? Thank you, Mrs. Shahid. Okay. Yeah, what is your favorite song from the three that we know of?
Tere Pyar mein.
Tere Pyar Mein. And what about you? Okay, and obviously we are going to hear you guys. You have to sing something little towards the end, not right now, towards the end. Okay, you guys can clear your throats and then towards the end.
He's gonna sing, I'm just gonna...
I wish you guys watch your
guitar?
I wish you had the guitar.
No.
Unfortunately, maybe next time when you come on, you can bring a guitar. All right, now you guys have.
Maybe we can sing then.
No, you're not going to sing then, Jafar. You're going to sing today. Okay. I wanted to ask you guys about performing and your your concerts, and I'm sure you guys have performed before. So, how have been the crowd's reactions, and how do you feel? And what's your most memorable performance? Anything interesting happen?
We haven't really performed that much. We've just done like small gigs, like बहुत पहले वो भी उसके बाद से we haven't performed. But I think if you're talking about like a funny incident or something,
yeah, your most memorable at performance.
When Bachpan की shoot थी.
Yeah, वो तो बहुत पहले था.
Bachpan.
But the funny incident could be that thing when we were just invited by a couple of friends that were performing. So we were just in the crowd. So a couple of kids, like 8 or 9 of them, they had this gang, and छोटे से वो आ गए हमारे पास, and they just wouldn't let us go. नहीं हमें जाफर भाई आप कोई souvenir दें हमें.
Souvenir.
And then we had nothing on us. वो literally, I kid you not, वो मेरे जूते की लेस ले गए.
Oh.
I didn't have anything else.
Okay. So that
was really sweet, but funny as well.
that was your crazy fan moment, I guess. Do you get like a lot of? You guys have to change your sims a lot.
No,
not that. Jafar, do you?
I've never done that.
No.
It's been a while now.
Okay. Alright, we have another caller. Hello.
हेलो समकम।
जी. Hello. Hello. कौन?
मैं बुशरा बात कर रही हूँ।
बुशरा, क्या हाल है आपके?
ठीक ठाक, आप कैसी हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। आपको पता है आज माज और जाफर आए हैं?
जी हाँ।
आप उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहेंगे?
जी मैं जाफर से एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ।
जाफर, यस। पूछिए आप।
जाफर
जी
आपके बाल कैसे लंबे हुए हैं?
मेरे बाल कैसे लंबे हुए हैं?
Okay.
Interesting सवाल है. कैसे लंबे हुए?
You must be taking. I'm sorry. You must be taking a lot of care of your hair.
Actually, I don't do any sort of thing.
Nothing.
Like
Any oil
No,
or anything.
I don't do that. A lot of people used to ask me, आप क्या करते हैं बालों?
Because.
और ये कि मैं बेस्ट तरीका है कि आप नहाएं कम.
नहीं.
बालों की
Then that's true. That's a fact because you don't have too many chemicals in your hair, so that your hair doesn't fall. So everybody out there, don't take a shower.
नहाना बंद कर.
एक हफ्ते तक मत नहाया करें.
Okay.